let's make Italian traditional meatballs, but vegan of course.
Make the vegan egg mixing water and chia seeds powder and leave it to rest for 10 minutes before using it. In a big bowl, mix mince, egg, oregano, salt, parmesan, breadcrumbs, milk, and mix very well using your hands. Form little balls more or less big the same. In the pan, place the soffritto to cook in hot oil for about 5 minutes, then add the meatballs and brown them 5 minutes per side. Add wine, passata, a bit of water, stir, cover with the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes and enjoy.